Hello, welcome to the news summary from the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the top trending news from the modern Nigeria. Nigeria's Dangote Group has firmly denied reports suggesting a financial dispute between its president Aliko Dangote and Tony, chairman of United Bank of Africa. In a statement issued on Sunday, the company described the viral claims as false and misleading. The clarification was signed by Anthony Chingina, the group chief branding and communication officer, who warned digital platform and content creators against spreading misinformations. The Kano State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Abubakar Labaran Yusuf, has ordered the arrest of trader accused of selling government-issued child nutrition supplies meant to be distributed free of charge to vulnerable families. The directive followed a routine inspections carried out by the Commissioner and his team across health commodity distribution points in Kano State on Sunday. The Angast Youth Movement Global has condemned the attack on the convoy of the Ngolong Ngas His Royal Highness Ndenjika Golit by suspected youth in Sabongari community of Mangu local government area of Plateau State. In a statement issued on Sunday and signed by its National Publicity Secretary, Ching Tong Joshua Yanchin and Global President, the African Democratic Congress ADC has unveiled its timetable for the 2026 primary elections ahead of 2027 general elections. This was disclosed in a statement on Sunday by the party's National Publicity Secretary Bolaji Abdullahi. According to the party, the schedules reflect its commitments to internal democracy, transparency, and adherence to electoral regulations. The timetable shows that the collections of the applications form began on April 1st and will close on May 4, 2026. The sale of nomination form is set to run from May 5 to May 10, while submissions of completed forms will take place between May 11 and May 13. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar is set to visit the United States to spotlight what he described as Nigeria's deepening insecurity, economic strains, and declining standard of governance. The disclosure was made in a statement on Sunday by his media advisor, Paul Ibe, who said the former vice president will engage with policy and institutional stakeholders during the trip. Former Inspector General of Police Usman Alkali Baba has officially declared his intention to contest for the governorship of Yobe State under the All Progressive Congress (APC), stating that plans to adopt a consensus candidate have collapsed. The Nigerian Air Force, through the air component of Operation Fansanyama Sector 2, has delivered a decisive blow to terrorist elements in the northwest, destroying a notorious hideout linked to the kingpin Abasu Aiki during a precision airstrike in Katsina State. Gombe Governor stakeholders reject Pantami pick Jamilu Gomna as consensus Guba candidate. The All Progressive Congress (APC) in Gombe State on Sunday announced Jamilu Ishaku Gomna as its consensus governorship candidate for the 2027 elections. A former Minister of Communication and Digital Economy, Isa Pantami, lost out in the race as the stakeholders pick Mr. Gomna. Now from the international scene, Pope Leo has marked World Press Freedom Day by condemning violations of media freedom around the world and paying tribute to journalists killed whilst reporting in conflict zone. At the end of his weekly Sunday prayer in a sunny St. Peter's Square at the Vatican, the Pontiff stated the day highlighted both the importance of independent journalism and the growing threats faced by reporters. China has announced injunctions to block U.S. sanctions placed on 5 Chinese refineries accused of buying oil from Iran. The U.S. sanctions announced by the Department of the Treasury late last month barred the refineries from the U.S. financial system and seek to penalize anyone doing business with the firms. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.